Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are working on the silver car. Now I know it looks like a little bit like deja vu, like we've been here before, but this is actually the silver car. So we're stripping out the silver car to get the interior out, so in order to that we can remove the windows and take out the roof panel and also take out the quarter panels. Okay, so first off we're going to start by removing the steering wheel, which is a bit of a tricky part. Always make sure that your battery is disconnected before you start working on airbags. It might just trigger a deploy. Okay, so you want to turn it 90 degrees, this on a 90-degree angle. Then what you want to do is you want to take a shortish flathead screwdriver portion. Okay, there is two of them. There's a small hole in the back of the steering wheel on either ends, exactly at the end where this horn indicator is on the back of the steering wheel. You will always find that the one is easy to find and the next one is not easy to find. There we go. Right. Okay. Then you can remove the screwdriver. Just twist the back so that you can remove your plug. You can remove it by hand carefully that you don't break anything. If you can't remove it by hand, gently, very gently, just push on and out. Alright, that is the airbag removed. So these are your two holding points that holds onto that spring, clips onto that spring portion there. So ultimately you would then go from the back. As you can see, there's the screwdriver, right? You will then put it on an angle like this and you will press down like that in order to get the spring removed, as you can see. Okay. Okay, fortunately it's not that tight. So now you can just put it in the lock position, put the key back in, and then you can make use of a normal ratchet. And there we go, folks. This is actually very light. I can actually pick it up with one pinky if the airbag is removed. With the airbag it is very heavy. Okay, so we're just going to put that back to protect the threads. Okay, ignition. Okay, super. Alright, here comes the tricky, delicate situation. Unfortunately, I know the radio is not secured correctly. We will do that once we best way for this is going to be the following. Just going to do it like this, and we will take everything together. We'll obviously fix it before we reassemble it. Reassemble the car and install everything. So we're just going to do it like this. Let's just make another label. Do it like that. Take a pair of side cutters and snip everything off. Okay. It's not the right way to do it, but don't worry, we'll fix it. Because this is an aftermarket radio, as you can see. A lot of plans made, but yeah, we shall fix it when we get to it. It is actually a JVC radio, CD player, Bluetooth. Stick to 2